Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression like this: 28 divided by 7 upon 15 times 60. This expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. Those people were trying to find shortcuts to solve the math problem. Cut the numbers like this. 15 times 4 is 60 is equal to 28 divided by 7 times 4. They think multiplication has a higher priority than division, so they do the multiplication between 7 and 4. 7 and 4 का गुना करने पर we get answer 28. They do the division between 28 and 28. After division, we get answer 1. 1 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Division and multiplication holds equal priority level. So, we must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. Use the rule of KCF. K stands for keep the first number as it is, like this right here, 28. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. F stands for flip the second fraction. Like this here, 7 upon 15, write its reciprocal 15 upon 7. 28 times 15 upon 7 times 60. Cut the numbers like this. 7 times 4 is 28. Numerator multiplication is equal to 4 times 15 times 60. 15 and 4 का गुना करने पर we get answer 60. We do the multiplication between 60 and 60. After multiplication, we get answer 3600 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. प्रेस द बेल आयकॉन.